Week 1 of doing Google Data Engineer learning path. Hi guys, for those of you who are new, my name is Eugene and I'm a data engineer. In this series, I share with you my thoughts and impressions from doing Google Data Engineer learning path on Google Cloud. This has been a week 1, and in the first week I have done the first introductory course that was approximately 5 hours, and I want to share with you my thoughts and impressions from doing this first step and the results of my first week doing that path. Let's dive in. Cool, this is a homepage of the Data Engineer learning path. If you're seeing it for the first time, I highly suggest you to check out my first video where I went through all the pieces of this learning path. We looked at the courses, at the components and all that stuff and how it all works. But this video is about my progress for the last week. And in the last week I have completed this second course, preparing for your professional data engineer journey. As you can see, it's 5 hours, the level is advanced. Let me open it. Actually, I clicked on it several seconds ago, it just takes a while to load it. And what was this course about? Basically, it's a course structured in several topics, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 topics. And if I understood it correctly, each topic represents a section of the data engineering professional certification. So, introduction to data engineering, professional data engineer certification. So 5 topics. This was just an intro topic in the course. Ingesting data and processing data, designing data processing systems, storing data, preparing and using data for analysis, and maintaining and automating data workloads. So what can I say and how can I sum up my thoughts about this course? If I had to rate it, I would rate this specific course at 4 out of 10. Why such a low score? Because you are supposed to mark the topics that you know, that you don't know, based on the diagnostic questions, which is a quiz from 10 questions that you answer, and then you are supposed to come back to that PDF, go through it, find the question that you probably failed during the quiz, and then mark like I need to learn this topic. But I mean, I'm doing this learning path not to look up the resources by myself, to go through all these links. So I would expect like some structure down the road in the course. So if I go back to main menu, yeah, and another weakness that it's kind of slow to load the pages. I mean, it takes 2-3 seconds to load the page, which is not that quick. Since I do the quiz anyway, the suggested topic that I need to focus on could be just automatically suggested to me once it's done. Yeah, this feels like too analog, doing it by yourself in a PDF of 80 pages. I didn't like it. Yeah, and once you are done the quiz, there is another PDF after in each course block. Where again they just go through the subtopics of each module and explain, give the feedback on the questions, why something is correct, why something is wrong, and give you a bunch of links. That's useful. I mean, it's nice that you have links to resources in one place, but having it in 4, 5, 6 PDFs, it seems weird to me. Or like in this huge one. But this huge one is actually seems to be just questions. So overall, as a learning experience, that seems not so good to me. And you end every module with a knowledge check, and the knowledge check is just two questions. Yeah, if you fail, it's fine. You can just retake it and complete it. You have unlimited amount of attempts, I think. Yeah, so this was the first course, and week one, the idea was to get an understanding of your strengths and weaknesses. I didn't like how you track it. On the positive side, I at least got a feeling of the questions that could be asked during the certification. I'm sure this is not the best way to achieve this goal, like to get familiarity with the questions, but I mean, it's still something, and I like doing the course linearly, so without skipping anything, going piece by piece, step by step. I have a feeling that they brought together different courses in the data engineering field that prepare you for the certification, but these courses are meant to be as a standalone thing. So, for example, if you took this second course for preparation with these PDFs without the learning path, I think then it makes sense to have these documents, PDFs that you can use to open the documentation and read there. As a standalone thing, that makes sense. When you take the learning path, I think it's kind of useless, because my expectation would be that every next course from this path would be the essential piece that would prepare me for certification. Obviously, I understand that you need extra resources and extra reading and preparation. It's obvious, but yeah. I think that I'm going in circles. To sum up, this second course was not so good, but I have high expectations for every next module, because from the names, it seems like they are actually practical ones, and they should include already these quick labs to do something hands-on in Google Cloud and to read upon stuff. The second course wasn't completely useless to me. I managed to get some useful things from it. Yeah, but overall, it was not so good in my experience. With that, thank you so much for watching, and follow for week 2 results.